Dick1112, and I'm going to be reacting Wild Animals Ringing Doorbells. This obviously the animals escape from the zoo and trying to ring doorbells. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, that's a lot of gorillas. Think first, think later. Run! Chimpanzees. That's a lot of dogs. Herd of sheep. Kittens. I got scared. Oh, quickly. Running. Successfully saw a eye. Opossums. Wolverines. 100 of them. Meerkats. Kangaroos. Koalas. How did the animals are ringing doorbells? Who's there? Somebody ring the doorbell. Orangutan. Whoa, that's a lot of dogs. Good. Otter. Badgers. That's a lot of raccoons. What is cooking? Wow. Jump! Oh, your eyes are glowing. Oh, it's a giant one. Oh, it's a parrot. It's walking. Red fox. Squirrels. That's a lot of squirrels. Another orangutan. It looks like they're stampeding. Another kangaroo. Hopping. Raccoons. Oh, they're not the plant. And elephants. Oh, you have to put the ring on the trunk. Get it? Press the doorbell. Another elephant. Well, press it. The doorbell. Polar bears. Whoa! What? It's floating. No. Who's playing with the doorbell? What? Oh. A whole army of kangaroos. Lions. Grizzlies. What? Standing backwards. Press the doorbell. It's actually open. Black cats. Three-toed sloth. Giant pandas. Otters. Where'd they go with this water? with ringing doorbells. Why is there a whole army of animals? Try to open. Come on, open it. Oh. A wild boar. Ravens. Hello, birds. Oh, that's cool. That's a lot of monkeys. Wolves. Pandas in winter. Tigers. Well, that's it for Wild Animals Ringing Doorbells. I love that they rang doorbells with a herd of elephants reaching over this trunk. And so, well, that's all of it. So, thank you guys for watching. So, peace.